This is Google Pixelbook Go review. It has made Google's otherwise pricey Pixelbook line more accessible to consumers. Its base configuration is affordable, however, as it climbs its spec ladder, its price increases, making it a less attractive proposition. Google has been demanding quite a bit for its less expensive flagship Chromebook at launch, $649, £629, around $950 for 8GB of storage, an 8th generation Intel Core M3 processor, CPU, and a full HD, 1080p, LCD touchscreen. Here's how it all breaks down: Intel Core i5, 8GB, 128GB, $849/$829/ about $1,250. Intel Core i5, 16GB, 128GB, $999/$949/ about $1,470. Intel Core i7, 16GB, 256GB, 4K, $1,399/$1,329/ about $1,050. The Go has some features that are not available in the Pixelbook, such as a 1080p webcam and an additional 2 hours of battery life. However, when it comes to premium Chromebooks, the Pixelbook Go is mostly unmatched in the benefits and features, including a long battery life, a full HD webcam, and one of the best keyboards we have ever used. Naturally, the Google Pixelbook Go is designed to be thin and light, measuring only 0.5 inches thick and weighing 2.3 pounds. There are only two colors available, just black and not pink, otherwise known as black and pink. The laptop has a magnesium alloy frame with a matte paint finish, which, together with its rippled base, makes it easier to handle and grip while moving between meetings or workspaces. As well as a keyboard with comfortably spaced keys, the Pixelbook Go also features top-firing speakers. Interestingly, Google did not include biometric authentication on the Pixelbook Go. There is not a fingerprint sensor or an iris or face scanner. As for the positives, we have to say that the Google Pixelbook Go keyboard is one of the best we have used on a laptop. However, you are unlikely to be aware that the Pixelbook Go keyboard is backlit without reading this review pro tip. Holding the Alt key while pressing the brightness controls will toggle the keyboard backlight brightness. The Pixelbook Go is equipped with two USB-C 3.1 ports that can be used for both charging and output, in addition to a 3.5mm audio jack. When compared to its predecessor and competitors at similar prices, the Pixelbook Go does not offer a 2-in-1 functionality. Short of the highest-end configuration, the Pixelbook Go is equipped with a 1080p touchscreen, which displays colors with the vibrancy and accuracy we expect from laptops at this price point. We have not seen the 4K molecular display in person, but we believe that it is not necessary for a Chromebook. Although we are unable to comment on the performance of the Intel Core M3 in this model, the Core i5Y series is more than adequate for basic tasks and even light photo editing. The Chromebook's 8GB of RAM enables it to run multiple Google Chrome browser tabs simultaneously, more than a dozen, without experiencing any issues with memory shortages. Furthermore, the Google Pixelbook Go has an incredibly impressive battery life. We ran the Chromebook down for 11 hours and 14 minutes via our local video playback test. Furthermore, the Pixelbook Go can reach a full charge in as little as 20 minutes when connected to an outlet. In general, Chromebooks come with a clean installation of Chrome OS, and the Google Pixelbook Go is the cleanest of them all. The inclusion of Google Assistant has been appreciated, but it isn't unique when compared to almost every other modern Chromebook. The one feature that sets this Chromebook apart is its sharp, 1080p webcam.